Another easy challenge I'll be solving is a crypto challenge called One More Time Pad, and we have a download here. So this is child.py. So let's look at it in the terminal, and we have child.py here. So we can vim child.py, and we see that we have a byte long string, and then we have the key. So this is just cycling around there, and it's using it as a key. So basically for every character, it's being like, it's more of being like separated character by character. So then it's doing something like for I in a range, the length of this thing here, it's looping through, XORing each character by the other character. Then it's printing the ciphertext. Then this is the ciphertext. So this will be pretty easy, to be honest. This will be really easy. So what I'm just going to do is comment this one out in multi-line comments, and then something like that. And then so basically we can like insert the ciphertext there. So this is the ciphertext here being separated in pairs of 2 2 2. Yeah, so something like that. Then we can now create our own thing. So for I in a range, so basically you can create our own function to do the XOR thing. So I'll just like define the XOR, I guess. So that will work. So and then for I in the range, the length of the PT. So I think whatever, I don't know what that means, to be honest. Then what they were doing was storing something in B and saying that so we are just looping PT, the first value there, and XORing it with basically, okay, so basically XORing that with the first value in where, in the key. So they're using next. So what I'll do is, so this is for I in the range, so we can like now use that to go to the ciphertext, and we can use I there. So basically the reason I'm doing this is because if you XOR something with a key, you get output. So if output you XOR it with the initial value, you get the key. That's the logic. But anyway, so we can try that, but you can see that this is a string we are trying to XOR with bytes. I'm not sure, but I think those are bytes, but I'm not sure. So basically it will complain about that. So can we print B, I guess? So chmod and then let's see, just to be sure we are doing it right. So basically what I'll do is, if the string name equals to the string main, then we can call out our function, and we see that we have a syntax error somewhere. So let's see. Okay, so this was the problem. Also we get another syntax error. Interesting, very interesting. So let's see, actually let's just get rid of this key here. Like that, and we can now like try to, yeah, so now I think that is better. Can we call this XORed? Yeah, so I think that's better. And we can see that we have some problems here, and it's kind of like reading the ciphertext or something of sort. So oh yeah, we didn't have a shebang line, so we didn't specify the interpreter. So the interpreter is user being Python 3, and of course the author is me. Yeah, so okay, that didn't give anything. So I guess what we can try to do is do that, then try to print the B thing, yeah. And we don't get anything as well. So let's see, can I print high? So let's see. Yeah, so I just knew something about it is just really weird. So let's see. Actually, what I'll do, I'll just copy this to somewhere like solve.py, then we can get rid of what we don't need. We didn't need that one, so basically I think this is all we need. And basically I don't know if this also is working, so basically I get rid of that line. And let's see, so yeah, solve.py, and we get they do mean CT, so that is ciphertext. Yeah, I guess we meant the ciphertext, so basically we get rid of that ciphertext. So let's get it from here. And now we can do it one more time, and we see that this is an integer and then the next one is a string, so basically we need it to be an integer. So the way we convert it into an integer from hex is that we will specify, of course, this is from hexadecimal like that, and now we can like execute it. So yeah, that is it. So just to get rid of this high like that, then we can print B again, and the next thing we can try to do is now call this the decoded and specify it as an array. Then we can print the decoded here, then we can say decoded dot append the value B. So yeah, something like that, and we have that working. So whatever, the next thing we can try to do is now append this as characters, and then we can try to now join this. Something like that, and you already have the flag here, so it's the first thing here. So baby hit me one more time. Yeah, that's the flag. See you next time.